Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are in the market of an e-commerce platform that's the best fit for you businesses, you are in the right place. Today we are comparing two leading e-commerce platforms, Shopify and Squarespace. Both of these platforms are great choice that can sufficiently help you scale for businesses, but one may very well be a better fit for your businesses throughout the rest of the video. We will look at each of their main features, how much they cost, and how user friendly they are. I hope all this information will help you decide which one is the best fit for you. Now, if you are new to the e-commerce space and have not heard for don't know much about either Shopify or Squarespace, let me give your some quick background. And the Shopify platform gives you an online store where you can start any e-commerce businesses. Beyond giving on you a storefront, they also offer feature to help you with things like managing inventory, creating and editing products, and a lot of their great features. On the other hand, Squarespace is a website builder. Now, of course, you can make an online store on Squarespace, but that is not the only thing you can do on it. While Shopify helps you create on an online store, Squarespace is a website builder that lets you add an online store as an additional feature. It was mainly created as a tool to help with content and establish as online presence for your brand. First, for Shopify offers the starter plan, which is good for making sales on social media and messaging apps for just $5 a month. Then there the basic plan of for $29 a month. This gives you have own page with discounted shipping. Then there is the Shopify plan to for $79 a month. Finally, there the plus plan, which is graded toward big corporation. This plan starts at $2,300 a month and is available as on 1 or 3 years term. You get access to things like up to 200 inventory locations and customizable checkout, which means you will ship faster and also give your businesses a more customized aesthetic. Meanwhile, is if we look at Squarespace, you can get the personal plan at $16 a month, but this option does not give you to opportunity to sell physical products. Finally, Squarespace gives you two commerce options. The basic commerce plan for $28 a month. For a little bit more, you can get the advanced commerce plan for $52. Now, before we wrap up regardables of each option you choose, but sure to consider your business size and specific needs to judge which platforms is the best choice for you. That's it with the video. If you found the information helpful, this please leave a like and subscribe to see more videos like this is in the future. Feel free to leave any question in the comments below and I will be happy to answer them and quickly can. If you are any point you decide that platform, check out the affiliate down in the description. It does not cost you can send more, and you actually I will get a bit of discount which you would not find directly on their website.